Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family? Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck before we go fully into it. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are writing, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to analyze right here on the chart. So follow up with me if you are having. Okay, so quickly, this had been an uptrend for a while, but after getting to this resistance and tried out a downtrend and went as far as this. Okay, and of course, in the morning, I told us that okay, if this should later on come down to break out from here, it's going to sell more. But if it should break out above this, then it means that the change of character has occurred. And you can see it broke out above it, so which led to change of character. And of course, it's on full uptrend at the moment. So it is still buying right now. So this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, this actually sold till it got to this support zone, just like I have explained in the morning. And of course, it started an uptrend and it bought till it got to this region. Had a pullback, went back up again, still had another pullback, went back up again, and definitely it is going to have another pullback again. It's trying to see if it can break out above this resistance. And if it breaks out above it, good, it's going to keep on buying. If it does not, then we are most likely for us to see a switch in the trend. That is, it's most likely for it to go back into a downtrend totally. But for now, it is still buying until that happens. Next asset is going to be PINX 1200. This started a downtrend right from here and it sold till it got to this support region. Had I mean, tried to go back on uptrend, but it didn't go too far because it was unable to break out above this. So it came down again, trying out the support region. So this is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below this, it's going to sell more. If it does not, then it will try to go back up again and see if it can break out above this. Okay, so this is very, very important. So take note of that. So the next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. PayNext 999 had been on downtrend, and of course, it has been selling since then. I was actually waiting for it to break out above this trend line, the resistance trend line, okay, but it was unable to break out from there. So it has gotten broke out from this support zone, got to a new support zone, and of course, it will be trying this out again. Okay, so if it breaks out above this trend line, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will go back down again to sell more. Okay, so for now, this is still selling, okay, because it is still very much on downtrend. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay. So the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. For FX volume 80, it was on downtrend for days and of course got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. So it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend and it has been buying since then. Okay. However, we are waiting for it to actually break out above this. Okay, so it should be targeting this region. Once it breaks out from here, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should take note of that. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So we should take note of that whenever we are trading. Okay, so buying than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family.